A common problem with filling up your vehicle in areas that have tight EPA or local regulations about vapor capture at the pump is the inability to fully fill the tank due to the restrictive area between the filler neck and the fuel pump handle. While some people have had success by turning the handle upside down, Porsche has developed a simple and inexpensive solution to the problem. Also, it's messy and unsightly to be seen filling up your Porsche in this manner. The solution to this problem is a Porsche-designed plastic sleeve that fits right over the filler neck, red arrow. This is a permanent solution to that once installed, it remains in place. The plastic sleeve has a flat side and a notch side, red arrow. Install this with the notch side facing up. Simply use your hands and evenly push the sleeve over the factory fill neck until it sits on the ridge on the neck, red arrow. This will increase the recirculation area in the neck and allow you to fully fill the tank. You only need to install this once and leave it on. The part allows the vehicle to be fully filled and will not cause any effects to the gas recirculation or vapor capture systems. When the sleeve is installed, it will sit slightly higher than the metal filler neck as indicated by the red arrow. The sleeve does not affect the performance of the gas cap. Once it is installed, you will forget it is there and enjoy full tank fill-ups. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.